Yo, people, welcome to Cook and Vibe. My name is M.R. This is season 10. Yo, we're fully active in our people. You're gonna see me give you more episodes in a week, man. We're fully active, man. Make sure you press that notification bell. You get me? Because you don't want to miss nothing. I've got a mad one for you today, people. Yo, we're going into the Garrison today, people. Alright, when we say Garrison, people, we say a ghetto. So garrison is another term or another phrase for ghetto. All right, we're going to a place today. It's a very serious place. It's called PAYNELAND. It's in Kingston, 3 Mile. You get me? So we're gonna go down there. We're gonna link up the G on Willie Kelly down there, and we're gonna catch our vibes, and we're gonna show you around the area and show you this place. Like I said, people. It's not a game around this area. It's a serious place. Not a joke. So even that we've even got the pass to go down there is, you're lucky. So let me see some likes on this one. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already and hit that notification bell. You don't want to miss nothing. It's season 10 and we're just getting started. Why? Yes, people, so we're there, PAYNELAND, and then I'm starting to see some of these blocks here, like you'd see in London. They look grimy, man, I'll tell you, no lie. But yeah, PAYNELAND, we're there, people. Real place, man, I lie. We're there, man, with Unruly Kelly. You know what I'm saying? The one YGP, same way. Where's that? Radam! Batman thing, yeah, post that. Do that. Booking that. Looking back. What? That is it. You know?
Hold on. That's update.
That is it.
That's what we're saying.
One PAYNELAND, one M that are.
One Unruly Kelly.
Yeah, man, catch a juvenile them out them beat past Sunday. What the top juvenile them, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, I'm tough.
True, man. True. No grass, concrete. Yeah. The youth them out and active, love that. Full team out. PAYNELAND, one Unruly Kelly, you hear that? Make sure you follow his Instagram. Instagram right there. Follow him right there.
Share now. If you know, share now.
Yeah, man, bad art.
Share now, bad art. Let's see, I pull up on our side.
Oh, no.
All PAYNELAND, yeah? Catch it. I wish you the run gun guide. Bag one tight. Oh, yeah, see tight hole. Yeah. Body sticks live. I go up on YouTube. Yeah, man. Body girl yesterday. She had the toughest thing. Don't give it to her. Big up end that tarp on the video. One end that tarp.
That is it, my bro. We outside, man. We outside. You see a real place. We say PAYNELAND, we say one PAYNELAND.
Brain over brain. The real tree them.
Sure.
Real youth them. See them there? The real type of youth them. Don't take a thing for joke. Alright?
Real murder.
Don't say fun.
Mama, big up yourself, yeah? Oh, the charge. Yeah, man, up the road. Yeah, I don't know the thing go. I'm no straight DJ. One side, you know?
Yo, man, a room all on for me. Yeah, I'm PRM feed my business.
Yeah, man, you know there. Them that are journey, you know. I sell in town. PAYNELAND there. And only tell you up yourself YGP, one camp, you know, one stamp. That's all.
Sure.
No craftings.
None.
Them that are.
Isel, the Rasta. The white man. Them that are. You know, real G, white line, you see me? Let them know one them that are white line.
Alright. One feeling, is it, dog?
True.
Yeah, man, love how saying that. Yeah, mother.
Alright. My mother, big up yourself, yeah. Alright. Great Zinucci, I'm a boss, man.
Some boy a knock off for you here. See the real deal, yeah? When I talk about a joke things, see the real deal, when I talk about Baba. Them they are knock off here, yeah. See the real deal, I'll raise them.
Yeah,
Bad artist, Isel, is it? M that are.
That's all.
What I feel like.
See me? One YG.
That mama PAYNELAND.
Long time.
Yeah, we know, I know.
No time, I have to late and I'm update.
See the real bingy then and a knock off.
JJ,
No pasta.
there, you know. I need to know about it. Body, huh? One pair. Yeah, man. Catch them over there, you know?
Big up the big boss and big up everybody rest around.
One I said, make them know. One them that are, you hear that?
Yes. PAYNELAND people, you would hear it enough times. If you listen to dancehall music, you would hear this place enough times.
Straight.
Yeah. I have to remember, PAYNELAND is not a game, man. It's not a full feature, you see it? Yeah, natural.
Yes. So you can see by the way it looks, place look grimy, you know.
Yeah, man, grime, real.
Now I make them know, Kelly, sometimes say you govern with the right people, then a good vibe said way.
Yeah.
Yeah, and a good vibe said way.
Sure. Ah, man, I forward, man. Yeah, man, it might get night, man. I'm that are, you know, alongside Isaac. I'm a boss at you know.
Biggest mechanic is here.
Right.
Go eyes up, right?
Man, them man, not them man, I'm here to tell about the big artists, them have come link with them man. The big artists, the PAYNELAND with there, you know. And they say the PAYNELAND and the artists there, you know. But DJ Wagwan, alright? DJ Wagwan, so the man here, you know. Take a bit of so the DJ.
General, eh?
Yo, so the real deal, them, the boss. Them Wagwan.
One plan, hear that? So you know him think already. See, man?
One YGP can big up Z.
Straight.
Yeah, let's go up and brother, man.
Brother, that for life. Yo, George P.
That's up to you. I'm not learning.
Not that.
Alright, so if you haven't learned by now, you learn. One YGP camp, that's Z, alright? So then you have Unruly Kelly, you have M.R, you have IZ, you have
Jabari.
Jabari run it with Z.
Watch out. Remember George P.
George P there Canada, so you now see him right now, but you don't know say George P, YGP, same way. So it's
so you don't know new beginnings, Falco, the world team.
They got Falco every time.
You know the world team,
yeah, man.
That's right. You know where they are PAYNELAND.
Breezy record.
Breezy.
From PAYNELAND to Brixton to Lewisham. Yo. I don't know, big up Askel, Sedway.
Real
Yeah. Yo, Rasai Marek.
Big up Ras, what you mean, man?
Yeah, Joe.
Yes, people, you don't know. Hope you enjoyed the episode, man. Just go on taking the vibes, you know what? Yeah, there's too much talking in this episode, isn't it? But you know everything already. But just go on, take it in, take in the place. Yeah, 'cause you might not see it again like this. I'll tell you the truth.
Them the bad, they just smell bad. I got the things stashed up in the kitchen. Any stage show man shell that. The killing them there, them itching. With a debt violation night.
Yeah, what I noticed with this area is like it's quite built up, as in like the blocks and stuff like that, as you can see behind me. And there's a lot of people just chilling out right now, like just on the corner and stuff like that. It's like a Jamaica London. You know, when you reach certain parts of London, you say it's grimy. And you reach certain parts of Jamaica and say, that's grimy. It's like the two of the griminess is like blended together here with the blocks and stuff like that. So it's quite different from Rockfort or Maxfield or Almontown. But yeah, it's crazy to be here because obviously as a dancer artist, you really hear people talk about PAYNELAND enough times. So to step foot in the soil with vibes, you know what I'm saying? I know people do vlogs of like the ghettos and stuff like that and the Garrison in Jamaica, but correct me if I'm wrong. You're not gonna see it the same way. I remember say we have real connections in a lot of places in Kingston. So I know, like, man, just a YouTuber here, just like trying to get content and, you know, paying some money to go and get taken around. It's a different thing, you understand? One YGP, you must have mad. That's the connection, you know, people. Big up Z every time. That's That is it, one Jabari. That is it. Greetings, tell me how you're feeling. It's the big up section. You don't know where I go, people. Leave a comment in the comment section for your chance. Hoi! Welcome to the big up section, people. Hope you enjoyed today's episode, man. Yeah, you saw some stuff that tell them man's out here working for your people, you understand? It's season 10, it's cook and vibe. I want to give you a quick talk as well. Me and big up and coming productions, they are on the camera.
Oi.
He's here, people. Now everything's gonna change even more. So you don't know the season started, but Up and Coming Productions is in the building now. Now it's gonna kick off. You guys see Ras Kitchen and all them things there now, people. Yeah, we've actually been working on a movie, people. You hear me say? We've been working on a movie. So I will tell you more about this in other episodes. Do you understand? But this week's big up, people. Big up. Oh look, it's Moav. He says, gear to the dog. This video just started and I'm howling. Love M-Dot. Big up yourself, my G. That is regarding the Jerk Rabbit episode. If you ain't seen it, go check it out. The extra episode just dropped on Tuesday, so you might have bypassed that one there, but don't bypass it, man. Tell a Jerk Rabbit and a joke thing. And also big up Ja Works. He says, would be great to see a mannish water cook up. Boy, Ja Works, I really dig in the general. You are going. I'm gonna make that happen, people. We're gonna make our managed wild that happen. Yeah, we're gonna do it when we go up at Portland. We're in Kingston at the moment, doing some music business and stuff. Had a massive interview today. We've got so much to talk about. So much is going on. I'm so busy. I can't even talk about it. We're gonna have to wait till next time. Just make sure that you are here on Sunday, 6 p.m. UK time, 12 p.m. Jamaica time. 1 p.m. New York time. You know what time it is, man. Please don't miss it, because I can't be spending time catching up. Press the notification bell. See you soon. Bye guys.